Where are you? Are we meeting at our tree house as usual?
Yeah, my mom just asked me to give you a dozen eggs before she dumped me.
What? What do you mean?
Just kidding. Never mind. I'll be there soon.
Roger that. I'll meet you back at headquarters. Over.
Over. Now I have to take them to Harry. Right away on a broken bike. I need to get it fixed. I wonder how many there are.
Where are you? I'll find you anyway. You can't outsmart me. Yes, you're right. It won't help you.
Where the hell have you been? I've been waiting for you for an hour.
Shh. I'll tell you something. I'll meet you back at the treehouse. Over.
Tom, I thought we were already friends. Tom, I thought we were already friends. I'll find you anyway. What a weird noise. What's that? Let's be friends. What's that? I thought we were already friends.
Tom, finally! Harry, you won't believe it! I saw him! Who? Kidnapper! He caught me on the run in the woods and locked me up. It was a miracle that I escaped from him.
Oh my gosh, are you serious? No way, is that really a witch?
Harry, it's not a witch. That's a stupid rumor. Shh. It's him. Looks like he tries to find me everywhere.
Shit, what do we do?
Harry, take it easy. Our parents will be back soon, so we just have to wait for them.
Just wait? It will be evening soon and he'll get to us tonight for sure.
He won't if we're ready for it. We could fortify the headquarters so he doesn't catch us. What do you think?
Oh, give me a second. I have a couple of ideas. Let me write the list of items I need. Here, get me these items. I'll upgrade the treehouse and we can get through the night here safely.
And you're just going to sit here and wait?
Don't you know me? If I were near him, I'd die of fright. Get me these items and I'll make things that will surprise you.
Okay, I'll try.
Just be careful. Don't get caught.
If I don't come back, I will quickly bite you.
Don't stop it. I'm scared enough as it is.
Just kidding. Alright, I'm going.
You can't.
Well, there's not much left.
How much longer are you going to waste time? Look for the object. So hurry up and bring all the items.
You can't.
you.
My collection is growing.
What a weird noise.
Come here.
Yeah!
What's that?
No people, no classes. I wish it were always like this.
Wait! I'll make you better.
Nobody crumbling.
I need you. I'll find you.
My father loves to watch advertisements, but I'm not my father. Can't get any closer or I'll lose my eyes. We'll have to distract the cat somehow. Yeah, typical cat. It's all about food. It's not very cozy here.
I'll find you anyway. I thought we were already friends.
Found it.
Do you copy? How it's going there?
Harry, you always get in touch at the right moment.
I'm sorry to disturb you, Your Highness.
Come on, don't be offended. I'm a little busy here, but I'll get back to you soon.
Okay, waiting for you. Over.
Let's be friends.
Items. I have to collect them all.
Tell him hurry up and bring me all the items. It's getting dark. How much longer?
What was that?
I hope head crabs won't appear.
Tommy, you won't get hurt. Sei
I thought we were already friends.
With skills like that, I'd make a great thief.
Our classmates are Tommy, you won't get hurt. Let's be friends. Come out.
I know, so I have to collect them all.
Tom, stop being lazy. Bring me everything we need. Come out. Don't be afraid. I'll find you anyway. Are you?
Yeah!
How much longer are you going to waste time? Look for the objects.
I can't handle two at once. That won't help you.
Are you? You can't outsmart me. How much longer? Wait, you got everything we need. Look what I came up with. To make it really easy for us to see that. I can put your back to the camera and take a picture of him. The council will reward us if he's thinking of playing. And we need names and hammer for that. I hope we're safe now.
Yes, consider everything, Harry. Well done.
Come on, let's go to bed now. I'm really tired.
Are you waiting for me? I'm kidding, I'm really tired too. I wish the morning come faster. I'm trying to come back. Harry, where are you? It's locked.
Well, that's the smartest friend I've ever had. Nice catch.